Hi friends, if you like to have a clean and modern website for your business, you need a very suitable WordPress theme for this. Multipurpose themes always serves better for business website, and in this video we are going to create a very clean and minimal design website using a modern WordPress theme, and this theme is Carbon. So we are targeting a very simple design like this, and okay, so I can show you different. So this is another example of a website that is using Carbon WordPress theme, and we are going to create and overview this complete. So we are going to create a website using a Carbon WordPress theme, and of course we are going to overview its complete features and functionality so that you may take a wise decision about this thing. So we have target website in this video, and we have multiple choices. We have inner choices, one page template we have, and internal pages we have with this theme. And the Carbon is a clean, minimal, multi-purpose WordPress theme that has been developed by Upper, and they are elite authors. The theme came into existence in 2017, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. So let us start installing Carbon WordPress theme, and we are going to create a demo website, and during the process we will also overview the complete features and the basic customization options that is available with the theme, so that you may understand what actually you can do with this theme. You need a WordPress optimized hosting for your website, and of course a domain name, and I am assuming you have already taken a domain name and hosting for your upcoming website. If not, you may please follow the link given in the description and get a suitable hosting plan that is available with the WP Themes website. Link is available in the description of this video, and I will definitely show you what additional you are going to get. So you are going to get a fast and stunning hosting, of course, and you are going to get the complete cPanel control panel so that you may control your website fully, like file manager and Softaculous app installer, so that you may install the WordPress in one click. So this is a fresh installation of WordPress with me on the same hosting plan that you can avail by following the link given in the description, and you can also have the theme by following the link. So the theme is well available on the themeforest.net. Link is given in the description, and you can follow the link to get the theme through the affiliate link, and we will be available to help you in installation and basic customization for your website. Okay, so this is core installation, and we have to start our installation from this screen, which is generally ignored. I will show you under tools menu. You can go to the site health first of all, and we have to see this image like great job, everything is running smoothly here. So it is very important to have a optimized hosting plan for a WordPress website. Coming back to the dashboard, and I'll show you the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, some plugins, in fact multiple plugins like Visual Composer, Invite Market, and Master Slider, Revolution Slider, Ultimate VC add-ons, like multiple plugins is here, and other resources also available, and the main theme file, child theme file, and the change log. So we are going to use this carbon.zip file for our installation purpose, and it is showing 3.0 MB. So we can use this file directly for uploading at our WordPress core installation. To install the theme, we have to be in the theme section of WordPress, and by default 2022 WordPress theme is here, and we can simply add new theme by clicking on add new button, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose carbon.zip file, and it is very simple to select. So don't try to upload the complete folder, it is going to be a very common mistake. And I have chosen the file carbon.zip, and click on install now, and it may take a bit depending upon your server capacity if you are using a different hosting plan. So in our hosting it gets uploaded within few seconds, and as you can see the theme has been installed successfully, and we can go to the theme page. Here is the Carbon, and we can check the details. This is Carbon version 3.0 by Upper. So as I said, the original developer of this theme is Upper, and the theme is well available on the theme forest. Again, I am requesting to follow the link given in the description to get the theme, so that we may also available to help you. And okay, so let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have multiple instructions like Carbon demo importer, htaccess, download it here. Depending upon your server setting, you may need to increase the following steps to install demo. So PHP max file size is to be 1000 M, okay, and PHP post max size is 2000, 3000, okay, maximum execution time. And okay, so we have an htaccess editor plugin, so we can directly download this plugin here if we wish to do it through plugin. All these parameters should be set exactly what is required here, and I am also downloading this plugin. What is here I also wish to see. Okay, so safely edit htaccess file, so it is very good plugin in fact. So let us see how it works in fact first of all. And we have multiple plugins as well. However, we have direct access on our server, so we can do all these things through our PHP ini. But yes, I will also show you this plugin how it works. But first of all, let me complete this requirement directly through our cPanel, because we are having the complete access. We don't need this additional plugin for this. Okay, so PHP value max file size 1000. So what we can do, we can go to our cPanel and PHP multi PHP ini editor, and we can select our instance that we are using. Okay, so maximum upload it should be, okay, so let me cross this. Maximum file size is 512, so I am keeping it 1024 as per requirement. So I am in okay, so we have a PHP value max file size 1000 and PHP max file size PHP post value. Okay, so let us see what we can do here. Post max files is 516, we have to make it 2000. Okay, and next what is required, post value memory limit is 3000 M. It is really not good, but yes, we can do this. Memory limit we can increase again to the 3000 M if it is really required for this theme. And PHP max execution time is 18,000, so max execution time is already 20,000 here. And PHP max input time is 18,000, so input time is 6, so we can again keep it 20,000. So I'm simply saving this. Okay, so I have changed all the parameters that is required for this. Again, I am refreshing the page just to check whether this instruction is gone. Okay, so we can check these all parameters in the tool section again, and we can open the site health in another tab just to compare all the requirements and click on info. So it is very important to set the server according to the day. So okay, so it is all here, and it is input variables, PHP time limit 20,000, memory limit 3000 M, input and upload file, and also what is required. And again, as I said, I will also show you the plugin function how it works, just in case if you are not having access on your server like me or like the WP themes providing you. So what you can do, you can install the additional plugins. I'll show you now. I'm adding new plugin we have already downloaded, so I'm simply choosing htaccess editor and simply clicking on install now. Okay, so let us activate the plugin and directly go to the htaccess editor. Please read carefully, so you have to read all these instructions. And so I understand and enable the editor. So here is the editor, and we can again change the values what is required according to the plugin. So we have, since we have already updated all these things, so I am not making any change, but yes, we can do all the changes through here. So simply we can check before text is complete. Before saving, you can test the configuration, and you can even restore the last backup. So if you have you are not willing to use cPanel, or you are not having access, you can use this plugin as well. But I am deactivating this plugin because I am not using this. I was just showing you. Okay, so WP reset is for me, it is not for you, and I am deleting this plugin. Don't keep any extra plugin that is not useful for your installation. Okay, in the next step we have to be on the plugin section, and the theme is instructing us to install certain plugins, and let us begin what is here. So we need 10 plugins for this theme, and okay, so revolution slider is here, as I said, I shown you in the theme pack as well, so it is available, and master slider, envato market, Q portfolio. So what we can do, I'll try to install all plugins. Okay, so let me install first 5 plugins in one go, just in case if it works. And sometimes it does not works in one go. So okay, so it is showing critical error. What I can do, I'll certainly install plugins one by one, and it will not take much time. Hardly 2 minutes is enough, and we can simply install all these plugins. So all plugins are well available in updated version. You can see the green marks, and we can simply install all plugins here. So don't worry about this. So there are 2 sliders, master sliders and revolution slider. You need to use only one. Later we can decide which one we are using at our website, and you have to deactivate that particular slider plugin that you are not using. Deactivate and delete that plugin. So as I said, you don't need to keep any unused plugin in your installation. It is very important. So if you are using less number of plugins, your website is going to be more stable, and you need to work less on the updating these plugins and all. So just be careful, just keep those plugins at your installation which you are actually going to use for your website, and it can be decided once you complete the demo installation and all. And I am activating and installing all plugins. Only 2 plugins are required now, so really simple. CAPTCHA, it might be contact forms and all. So it is redirecting us again and again to the plugin installer screen, and only one is remaining now. Visit importer and exporter, and okay, wonderful. So we have installed all plugins along with the theme, and this is time when we can take a look at our website, how it looks with all set of plugins and the theme itself. So this is the basic look. Of course, we need to have a ready to use website through which we can customize and start our website. Okay, so for this we need to import the demo content, and I am going to find the option where we can import the demo content at this stage. Okay, carbon demos I can see here. and carbon options. I will definitely show you each and every options what we got in this installation and how we can actually customize this website using this carbon theme. So let us go to the carbon demos. Okay, so again this screen is telling us we have to choose what actually we want to have at our website. I mean which demo is applicable for us. So multi-page demo, this is the basic one, the first one. One page demo, and other options. So I'm choosing to activate this multi-page demo and simply click on activate. Let us see what is here. So installing the theme reactivation, okay. Installing plugins, so this activity might be installing multiple plugins. So we need to wait at this screen until we get any additional message on this screen. Everything is going fine as of now and 60% is complete. And I got this wonderful message that this is simply saying process almost complete, click OK to continue. Okay, simply we need to click on OK and applying the demo. This is being the next step by the automatic one-click demo installer, and it is again asking for a few moments. And I got another message that was saying all done, enjoy and have joy. So let us see our website how it looks now with the demo content, and I believe we are opening a wonderful website. Yes, and this is of course a complete website, and we got multiple pages, I believe. Yes. So home, hero, intro, and this is really wonderful. And I used to get multiple questions from my visitors as well. So this is another home page, and we got multiple home pages. So this is the beauty of multi-purpose WordPress theme, that we can use any of these home pages that is readily available for our website, and it is complete in all respect without doubt. And we can check inner pages. So we have multiple home pages, I believe it is more than 10, and about pages, so there are multiple about pages as well. So this is one of the about us page, and I can show you the services page as well, and you can see the speed. So speed is really awesome. This is the service page, and okay, so I will show you the service 2 version, and this is really awesome. And if we talk about elements that we can use during our website customization, there are multiple elements available: animated text, buttons, contact forms, hover, icon info, live chart, rows and columns, sliders, and style tabs, and all such things. So we have multiple options, of course, with the multi-purpose WordPress theme. This is the advantage, and we can set any of these home pages. So these home pages are really very wonderful. And this is the classic one. It is really great, and it is new for me as well, because okay, so slider is really having some new look, and it is really great. Okay, so this is the simple minimalistic business website, and now I'll take you to the back end again to show you the features that we got in this installation. Okay, and so I'll show you only additional tabs like partners. This is the partners tab, and though no pages has been created using partners. And again I can check the teams. So teams, so under team sections you can handle the team members, and again if you are not using these pages, you have to delete these pages, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine, just in case if you are not using. So it is useless for your website, so delete those pages that you are not using. So if you need to handle team, you have to go in team section. Similarly, testimonials is another section, and again I can show you the testimonials.